In 2020, I had family friends who lost their houses to wildfires in Argentina. I learned that the organizations responsible for protecting the land only found out because people called 911 in remote areas. So we built a power platform that basically analyzes more than 10 satellites every 5 minutes with our own AI proprietary algorithms that are detecting fires hours faster than NASA, alerting response teams immediately and showing them how the fire will spread. We are operating on 19 countries. We maintain a 100% retention rate across 29 paying customers, and we supported the response for more than 400 wildfires in the last quarter.